In this video, I'm going to show you how to start streaming on Twitch using Streamlabs. So I'll be showing you how to go live and all of the best settings to get started streaming. So the first thing you want to do is head over to a search engine and just type in Streamlabs and then click on this top website here, which is streamlabs.com. Now, once you're on this website, we can just scroll down and click on the download button. You can download this either for a Windows or a Mac computer. You can then click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side, and once it's finished downloading, we can simply open up the setup file. You can now go through the steps to install this onto your computer. It's pretty straightforward. Just go and press install. Once it's finished installing, we can go and open up the Streamlabs app on our computer. So the first thing we need to do is go and link Streamlabs to our Twitch account. Now, you could do this by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom left hand side, and what you'll need to do is go and create a Streamlabs account. So I'm just going to click on sign up and select create a Streamlabs ID. Now, once you've created your account, you'll need to go and connect your Twitch by clicking Twitch from the list of options. And then if you come back over to Streamlabs, you should see the Twitch icon in the bottom left hand side, and that just indicates that everything is linked together. Now, if you come down to the bottom left hand side, you'll see it will say looking to stream. Go and click on this and select enable streaming. You can see now we have the option to go live, and this is how you start streaming on Twitch. Now, before we actually go live, there are some settings that you need to change to ensure we have the best quality stream. So if you go and click on settings from the left hand side, click on stream from the list of options, make sure your Twitch account is linked underneath stream destinations. We're then going to select output, click on the drop down arrow next to output mode and select advanced. Click on the drop down arrow next to encoder, and if you have a dedicated graphics card on your computer such as NVIDIA, you can go and select NVIDIA H.264. Now, if you don't have a dedicated graphics card, you can always just use software X264. Make sure the rate control is set to CBR, and for the bitrate, we're going to increase this to 6000 to ensure the highest quality possible. And once you've done that, you can just go and press done to save your changes. And now all you need to do is go and hit this go live button and you can start streaming to Twitch. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.